Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, subscribe for more upcoming content. So today is what's in my trolley bag for series 1 vlog 2. So this is the bag I'm taking as always. So yeah, I'm gonna go into this pocket over here. So I'm taking my charger. It's a GoPro charger that I charged last night. So if you guys want a GoPro charger like this, get it on Amazon. So I charged that last night. And then this zipper, I got my Bible stuff. So I got this. I got this on Amazon. So I can do it. And then my Bible, and I gotta open it. So my Bible cover. So this is what I got. And then I have my iPod. This is the cover. It's really cute. I'll put my 2 stickers on there. And then the NAS pocket. This is the last pocket right here. I just have my coloring books. So I have this test markers and stuff. That's what I have. And then I have my coloring books. So the ones I got for Easter. What I got for Easter. So I'm gonna take these with me. So and that's what I got. So yeah, so see for this weekend, I don't know what we're doing tomorrow. I don't know if we're doing a hunting museum or a church tour. I will keep you guys updated on my community post. I don't know why my subs keeps going up and down. I don't know it's part of the YouTube purge. I'm trying to get to 970 subs by this weekend. So I'm gonna show you Coquette. There's Coquette. Hey, hi Coquette. He's getting kind of old, so yeah, it's part of his puppy stage. So you can say hi, puppy. So yeah, it's a really beautiful day. Actually, it's like almost 70. Sorry, my ear is like hurting me because it's water and I clean it out and it's not coming out because it's way down there. So yeah, it's really nice out. It's not as windy. It's supposed to be windy today, and I'm gonna go to my friends and getting snow tomorrow. I'm really sick and tired of snow. I'm just waiting for summer to do some more traveling vlogs for you guys. So yeah, and then I'm taking my GoPro to do longer videos because I can't do longer videos on my phone because I don't have enough storage on my phone. So if I get a new phone, I really want a iPhone 15 or 16. I might get more storage because I had this phone for like 3 years. The iPhone 13 Pro, I had it for like 3 years, but they're so freaking expensive. I'm not even kidding you. Because it's hard to save money if you want to get like, expensive electronic 5. They're not cheap. They're like $500. I got it like 2 years ago. I don't remember. I had to look on the thing, on the settings. And then my iPad is not cheap. I think it's like almost $1,000 or $900. I don't know. I had to look on the settings when I got it on my account. And then the GoPro, it's not as bad. It's like 200 or 100. These are not as bad because I was gonna get the Sunny V10 I told you guys about on my recent vlogs. But I'm not paying $400 for a freaking camera just to vlog. But it's a really cute tiny camera. Like my GoPro is a tiny camera. But I take it when I go like do traveling vlogs and stuff. So yeah, that's all I have to say for this mini vlog. What is in my traveling bag. to start my traveling. If you guys haven't seen my recent video from last night, go check that out. So I'm just waiting for my friend to come and then go from there. So yeah, I end up getting hungry. So yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog here, go live for a little bit, wait till she comes, and then go from there. So yeah, because I'm gonna enjoy this peaceful nature and stuff. So yeah, hope you guys have. When is today? Thursday, and then stay tuned for upcoming content this weekend, and I'm so excited for it. I just put a mini playlist to go check it out for 2026, and don't worry, there'll be some more traveling vlogs soon this year. I don't know, we're doing a mini trip because we already did a big one last year. I want to do a cruise again, but I don't know, because I got a little bit of sick on the 5th and 6th day before we got off, so maybe because I'm not used to there was a beat, maybe I'm not used to the altitude, so I got my gut really sick. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this vlog from my traveling series, and hope you guys have a happy Thursday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow or Saturday. I don't know what we're doing. Cause I think it's supposed to snow up there tomorrow. I don't know. I'll let you guys know, depending on the weather. So sorry I'm doing that. It's into my ear, and it's part of allergies. I'm sorry. I'm sounding weird. It's my allergies. I'm not sick. It's just part of allergies. I hear a plane. I don't know where it is. So yeah. Well, I'm gonna head off here, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. And I'm gonna start my journey tomorrow for my traveling vlogs. And then, so yeah, you guys have a good, happy Thursday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And hit the notification bell for more upcoming content this weekend. And I see you guys when I get home, like an update video, or what I got when I was with my friend, like when I got in the stores and stuff. And I see you guys soon. So, bye bye guys.